Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a deep clean of the dining room and the den area. I also put some clips in there that was supposed to be last week's video where we had expanded the playground, and we also built the storage last week. So I hope you guys enjoy the video for today. So in the dining room, I decided to bring a spring element in. So I was in Home Depot, and I had got inspired by these napkin holders. And I'm just throwing that sparkly thing away because it's so hard to clean. And I wound up cleaning off the table, and I got these sparkly napkin holders. And then I found a nice tablecloth. And so I kind of just went off that element. So it's kind of like a jean, still black, blue, and white, but I also put some greenery in there, and I really liked how it turned out. So I'm just getting the table really clean right now. So that tablecloth was about $16.99. At first I thought it wasn't gonna fit. It is kind of shorter, but it did say when I read the back of it that it would go with a rectangle table. And I also got some new plate holders because my other ones, my daughter demolished them, and I decided to go with black this time. I wound up keeping the same plates, and it was also another plate holder up underneath, and I just kind of took the bowls out and added the napkins, and the napkins are also jean, so it's a jean material, which I really like, and I got inspired by. So I thought, hey, let me try to make something out of this. Right here, I'm just cleaning my dining room seats. They desperately needed cleaning. I bought my sister's mean green machine, I guess that's what it's called. And just kind of went to town on the chairs and got them all scrubbed up and cleaned. So as you can see, that's another jean material, and I wanted to add some seat cushions to the seat just to bring in the spring element. I'm also going to add like a greenery plant in there over there. I just haven't found one to go in the area yet that I like. But so far, this is how it came out, and I really loved it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. It's been about 3 weeks since I cleaned inside the couch, so I decided to lift the pillows up just to see what was under there. And of course, it was crumbs and all kind of things. So just make sure you are moving your couch cushions, because it can look clean, but up under there you can have some stuff under there. Right here, I'm vacuuming, like steam cleaning the couch. So right here, we're just adding some more rubber mulch to the extended part of the playground. So I think we used a total of 30 bags. A few of them came from Home Depot, but most of them came from Aldi's. The bags were $6.99. And that's how it turned out. And she loves it. We're going to cover the playground. We finally got a storage shed. So right here, they're putting the storage shed together. This was also supposed to go in the video for last week, but as you guys know, I didn't post one for last week. But I just put some clips and snippets in this video. This was an 8x12. They built a deck for it, and then, or a base for it, and then they set the storage shed on top of it. And ta-da, it is all done. And that's a little snippet of our backyard. We may add another storage shed because that one's kind of small. We ordered it off Amazon. So stay tuned for next week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.